5-minute product review. Today I am going to tell you about the Hodedah. So let's start it. The first one is Hodedah 7 Drawer Jumbo Chest 5 large drawers. The compressed wood frame ensures durability for years of use. Weight limit per drawer 25 lbs. Weight limit per shelf 25 lbs. Drawers sit on metal grading rails. Side door with lock that feature adjustable and remove shelves and hanging drawer. Two smaller drawers with lack of those non-valuable privacy items. 5 drawers with the center support in the middle for 8 weight support. The Hodedah 7 Drawer Chest strikes a perfect balance between your storage as well as design requirement. It is constructed out the high quality MDF wood and is available in multiple finishes to choose from. This chest has 7 drawers, out of which 2 have lock, and each drawer comes with an extra support which can handle extra weight. There is also a door when open reveals shelf and hanging for extra storage space. This chest has ample space on the surface top to show us a photo frame, an antique clock and a vase. This chest fits perfectly into any decor. The 7 Drawer Chest by Hodedah has a clean and simple design, making it easier for you to place in anywhere. The next one is Hodedah 2-door wardrobe with 2 drawers and hanging drawer, black. 32 inches wide make this an easy fit for those tight rooms that need the space most. Clothing bar stretches across the entire interior width from the air mire. 2 drawers with the support, great for stackable clothing. Drawers sit on metal roller for smooth opening and closing. The Hodedah 2-door air mire with the 2 drawers is constructed of steady, durable, top quality wood. Features a limited finish in a variety of color. It has 2 drawers that easily open to spacious wardrobe. Behind 2 doors, it is equipped with a hanging garment bar that is a width of closets. The bottom of closets has 2 drawers which has metal runner and safety. The next one is Arsalan 3-drawer nightstand frame material, solid manufactured wood, overall 24 height into 18 width into 24. Frame material, solid plus manufactured wood. Assembly required removable head rear. Number of drawers 3. Adult assembly required, yes with. This nightstand with a clean cut, shelved out and simple metal brushed accent. It is a perfect addition to stylish, restful retreat. 3 sliding drawers open to reveal plenty of room to tuck away small daily must-haves, while the top offers space to place a lamp, book frame, photo and glossy ceramic vase. That's all for now. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell.